Hello, this is Garemore again, and this device is a remote controlled USB socket. It uses the unused button on my amplifier remote to switch it on and off. Here's the hardware overview. First, we got two 2N3904s in a Darlington array acting as the switch that goes to our USB socket, with a 1K resistor going to pin 12 on our Arduino, and then we got pin 13 on our Arduino going to an LED. Then we have a IR receiver hooked up to pin 11, and we have a push button for manually switching it on and off. With this circuit, you can control any USB device as long as it's low current. No charging your phone, unfortunately. It's turning on and off. I press the unused button, it turns the load on and off. The load's just a simple light. We're going to plug in our fan that I modified with a USB connector. Plug that back in there, and then we press the button, and it's not working. The USB port got disconnected from the breadboard. It's working fine now. When I press the button, the fan turns on or off. We can do it manually as well. This is part of our home automation series. Well, here's the code that I modified. This is one of the example IR sketches that I found on the IR remote library. First we include the IR remote, then we set up our receiver, relay, and button pins. And then in the setup we set up our relay, our LED, our button, and start the receiver. And if we detect the specific code, we will turn our load on and off. Where were we? Oh yeah, we were explaining the code for the USB relay switch. If we detect this specific code, we will turn the switch on and off. And it's repeated here for the button. That was an eBay notification, not a Mercari notification. My phone just didn't ring for some reason. Probably because I'm recording on it. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Goodbye.